Welcome to Inverness Barony by Pulte Homes, a distinctive neighborhood within the Long Savanna community where natural beauty and outstanding amenities come together to create an exceptional lifestyle. From the moment you arrive, you'll be welcomed by beautiful landscaping, colorful seasonal blooms, and inviting streetscapes that set the tone for this vibrant community. Throughout the neighborhood, carefully designed green spaces and natural surroundings create a welcoming environment that encourages connection, recreation, and everyday enjoyment. Surrounded by scenic ponds and beautiful views, Long Savanna offers residents countless opportunities to enjoy the outdoors and experience the beauty of the Lowcountry. At the heart of the community is Stevens Green, a picturesque gathering space where residents can relax and enjoy peaceful waterfront views. Featuring open lawns and scenic pond views, Stevens Green provides a beautiful setting for outdoor activities and everyday enjoyment. For families, the community playground offers another exciting outdoor destination. Featuring multiple play structures, slides, swings, and open play areas. This welcoming space encourages recreation, exploration, and fun for all ages. As Stevens Green comes back into view, residents can appreciate the natural beauty that makes this gathering space such a special part of the community. Waterfront views, open green spaces, and inviting walkways create a welcoming environment throughout the year. Whether enjoying moments by the pond or spending time with neighbors, Stevens Green offers another opportunity to experience the outdoor lifestyle that defines Long Savanna. Continuing through the community, Linear Park showcases thoughtfully designed walking paths, surrounded by lush landscaping, colorful flowers, and carefully maintained green spaces that enhance the beauty of the neighborhood. As residents stroll through the park, they are surrounded by hydrangeas, seasonal plantings, and beautiful natural scenery that create a relaxing and enjoyable environment throughout the year. The park's winding pathways encourage residents to slow down and enjoy the beauty of their surroundings. Seasonal blooms, carefully selected plantings, and thoughtfully designed landscaping add color and character throughout the year. Whether enjoying a morning walk, meeting neighbors along the trail, or simply exploring the community, Linear Park offers another opportunity to experience the natural beauty of Long Savanna. These inviting pathways create additional opportunities to enjoy the outdoors and connect with the surrounding landscape. Open green areas and picnic spaces throughout the park offer additional places to gather, relax, and take in the beauty of the surrounding landscape. At the center of the community is an amenity campus designed to bring residents together through recreation, wellness, and social connection. The Amenity Center serves as a welcoming destination for activities, events, and everyday connection. Inside, residents can stay active in the fitness room, enjoy friendly competition in the billiards area, or gather with friends in the community room. A convenient kitchen, screened porch, and covered outdoor gathering spaces create even more opportunities to relax and connect with neighbors. For those who enjoy staying active outdoors, the pickleball courts offer another opportunity for recreation, exercise, and friendly competition. Just beyond the courts, the resort-style pool provides the perfect place to relax and unwind. Whether spending the day poolside, cooling off with a swim, or enjoying time with family and friends, the pool area offers a welcoming retreat for residents of all ages. Comfortable seating areas and thoughtfully designed outdoor spaces make it easy to enjoy the South Carolina sunshine throughout the year. As residents make their way through the pool area, inviting spaces for gathering and relaxation create the perfect setting to unwind. From poolside conversations to sunny afternoons outdoors, these thoughtfully designed amenities make every day feel like a getaway. Together, these experiences help make Long Savanna a special place to call home. Discover the lifestyle that awaits at Long Savanna.